Kia ora, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This week at Everything You Need to Know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock with news China's rapidly changing demographics are weighing heavily on the country. But first, and maybe related, today's dairy auction was a weak one. Prices were only very marginally lower in US dollar terms, but they fell 2.2% in New Zealand dollar terms as our currency rose overnight. The key whole milk powder price was up 1.9% in US dollar terms, but skim milk powder fell a sharpish 3.8%, and cheddar cheese fell a whopping 9.7% from the same event 2 weeks ago. That speaks to extended weakness in food service markets, probably in China. That leaves prices 10% lower than last year's level, which themselves were 18% lower than the year prior. The long slide continues, hurt by both China's continuing weakness and US dollar's newfound weakness. Meanwhile, American retail sales are managing to rise at inflation's level. They were up 3.4% in the latest Redbook survey of bricks and mortar stores on a same-store basis. But things remain weak in America's real estate market, with existing home sales down 4.1% in October from September to be 15% lower than year-ago levels. Average prices are inching up, however, even if inventory of unsold properties is growing. In Canada, CPI inflation is easing back now. It came in at 3.1% in October, down from 3.8% in September. It was a larger fall than expected. That means they're getting close to their central bank's target range of 1 to 3%. In Hong Kong, the weak Chinese housing market is affecting them too, with a new development offering new homes at prices that are at 6-year lows. As anticipated, China's birth rate reached a new low last year, with the number of newborns falling to 9.6 million, the first reading below 10 million since 1950. The US Treasury 10-year yield is little changed from yesterday, now at 4.43%, and the price of gold will start today at just on $2,000 an ounce and up $26 from this time yesterday. It was last at this level in late October. And oil prices have slipped 50 US cents to be just over $77.50 a barrel in the US, while the international Brent price is now at $82 a barrel. It's probably a weaker move than it seems given the falling US dollar. And the Kiwi dollar starts today at 60.6 US dollars and up another quarter cent from yesterday. Against the Aussie, we're up a half a cent to 92.4 Australian cents. Against the euro, we're also up a half a cent at 55.5 euro cents. That all means our trade weight index starts today at 69.6 and up a net 40 basis points. Get more news about the New Zealand economy from interest.co.nz. Kia ora, I'm David Chaston, and we'll do this again tomorrow.